Hello everyone, this video is for the bus Wi-Fi router and for its configuration. In this section, I would like to show you how to replace the portal. That is to replace the total portal. First, let me show you my connection to the bus Wi-Fi. Now, as you can see, the device was detected, and that is my PC is connected to the Wi-Fi router. Now let's enter and connect this Wi-Fi in this SSID, and then let me log in. When I log in, I can see the portal. It is the normal portal. Now, if your portals need to replace to a new portal, then let me show you how to replace it. And we need now I suggest to use another tools, that is the WinSCP. You can get from our technical support for this tool. If you connect it via the Wi-Fi, the IP is the 0.1, so we choose this and log in using the portal, the SFTP portal, and the root name and the password. The name and the password was input in advance, and we have just logged in and enter the path to the web server path. Its path is the MNT and the web 0. That is MNT web 0. Let's repeat again, MNT web 0. In this folder, it provided the HTML file. This is the website service. And now we want to replace a new portal, such as I get a new portal in my local PC. Okay, this is my portal. This is my new portal, and now I want to move the portal into this folder, so we can just delete this file, but we can also do this. Created a new folder and move that. Creating a new folder for old portal. Now it seems, and from this operation, we can treat it as we have deleted the old folder, old portal. You can also log in the portal to take a view. The website is here. Now it's showing the error because the portal was deleted. Now let me move the new portal to this device, and I just select all and drag it and move it to this folder and wait for a moment. Let's have a rest. Now all the Now all the transmission was finished, and we can log in the portal to take a view again using this